I'm Dane with RC4 Wireless, and here to talk about our new Series 3 DMX4 DIM that is part of the PLASA Innovations Awards this year. Built on our award-winning RC4 Magic system, we have added a great number of new features to the RC4 Magic 4-channel wireless dimmer this year. First is the fact that you can easily use it as a wired or wireless dimmer. Using a little adapter for a 3.5 millimeter plug to 5-pin XLR, you can get data in or data out to supply downstream DMX data out of every one of our Series 3 devices. From there we go into what has evolved over many years to where we now have true 16-bit dimming, adding 65,000 steps to our LED dimmers, making sure that they're absolutely flicker-free. Here you can see what you might find a typical lamp out of an IKEA or something like that we've added wireless dimming to, that's completely controlled in real time out of just like any fixture in your show. We've taken our 4-channel dimmer, and what you may recognize is usually one-to-one patching. So one channel for red, one channel for green, one channel for blue. And we've added a HSL engine, so a really powerful color mixing tool. Here in this lamp, you can see that I'm able to adjust the level, overall level of brightness for the lamp, but I'm also able to pick saturation point. So I can decide how white I would like it or how saturated I want that color. And then using one channel of DMX, I can scroll through all of the hues to make a color that I really want, especially in the violets and things like that are very easy for our eye to discern differences. The really powerful part of this comes in what we call color match. I am able, through our PC software, to actually take any kind of LED tape and visually match their white points, and in our software set the differences in those white points. Then once I put those devices or products into a show, I have complete color control that matches from LED tape to LED tape to LED tape, so I no longer have to worry about one color being a little bit off from another. Additionally, we've added our flicker effects engine, which we showed last year for the Innovations Award. It is now standard in all of our RC4 Series 3 devices. In addition to those features, we've added a servo control feature. So I can change my dimming curve and control method to do actual servo data. So here I am moving these servo motors using DMX data and just the DMX levels. All of this is standard in our devices. Another thing that we can adjust now in Series 3 is what we call digital persistence. This is how we smoothed out LED dimming in 2007 so that you don't get any flicker. We've gone a step further to not just have that digital persistence available to smoothly dim out our LEDs as we want them, but now we can actually adjust the amount of the digital persistence that we want to use in something. So in this example, I have what would be a gas lantern that might be a prop in a show. Well, we know that that lantern wouldn't burn out directly like an LED would. So using digital persistence, no cue timing, just digital persistence, I can set that to a slow level, and as it burns out, you can see that it fades out very slowly to mimic the burnout of a gas lantern. In addition to all of these features, we also have our standard in every device unique digital IDs. That means that you as a user only can talk to your equipment. You never have to worry about crosstalk or interference from other people and other RC4 Magic devices being used around the world. The final feature about all of the RC4 Magic devices in Series 3 and the RC4 Magic 4 DIM is that they are all code loader ready. That means that I can take a simple USB to 3.5 millimeter adapter, and as we continue to innovate and add new features to our dimming line, you're able to download those and upload them into your devices to make sure that you have the most current operating system for each one of your devices. And finally, each one of the 4 DIM devices, as well as everything in our Series 3 family, has a lifetime warranty. As long as you don't abuse it or misuse it, we guarantee it and we'll fix it for free for life. That's the RC4 Magic 4-channel dimmer. Check it out at theaterwireless.com, and thank you very much.